How to use Google Trend for product research or finding dropshipping product. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use Google Trend for product research. So Google Trend is a powerful tool for product research, helping you identify a trend or potentially profitable product for your dropshipping business. Here's how you can use a Google Trend effectively. First of all, you need to access the Google Trend. For that, open up a browser. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.trends.google.com/trends. After that, you're taken to the trends page. Here, you need to start by exploring the trend searches, which is located right over here. You need to type in the information. This shows you what topic and search queries are currently trending worldwide. Look for the keyword related to your niche. After that, use the search bar to enter the keywords. Now use the search bar to enter the keywords or key phrases related to your niche product you want to sell. For example, if you're in a fitness niche, you might engage in home workout. Apart from that, you can also go to trending now, which is located right at the bottom. After that, you'll be able to find all of the list that is trending currently on worldwide. Now Google Trend allow you to filter your search by location, time range and category. Consider focusing on your target market's location and select the relevant time. And along with that, Google Trend will also display graphics showing the interest for the chosen keyword. Pay attention to the following, that is interest over time, reasons and cities related queries. Apart from it, you can also compare multiple keywords. You can compare the trend of multiple keyword or product ideas by separating them with the commas in the search box. This will help you access with a product you have better potential. Consider setting up an email alert for specific keywords. This way you'll be notified when there's a spike in interest. Use the date range feature to analyze seasonal trends. Some product may be more popular during specific time of the year, such as holidays or seasonal event. Now, when trending product can be profitable, consider long validity of your chosen niche or product. Sustainable success often comes from evergreen or niche-specific items. Consider the product viability. Do not rely solely on trending data. Access factors like product availability, shipping tools, competitions and profit management, all that. Chosen a product, create compelling content and marketing strategies to attract potential customers. So these were the steps on how you can use for product research or for dropshipping products. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.